Guys, I'm adding some meat, bro. Some chicken, bro. Guys, I'm adding some meat, some chicken, bro, so my chicken can be cooked. I'm gonna allow my chicken to cook. And while my chicken is cooking, I'm gonna saute my shrimp, and I'm gonna prepare my sausage at the same time. I'm adding a little bit of oil, and I'm going to saute my shrimp. I'm adding some bell pepper over to my chicken. Also, guys, I'm adding my pepper, so my chicken can cook with pepper. Shrimp. So guys, I'm doing my shrimp. This is my shrimp right here. This is just to make the seasoning enter into the shrimp, guys. So I have it on a low flame. I have it on a low flame while I'm sauteing it, okay? Now my shrimp is sauteing. I'm going to just put my shrimp into this container right here. And I'm going to put my shrimp down, and I'm going to go ahead to fry my sausage. I'm going to just add some oil into the same container, and I'm going to do my sausage. Guys, my sausage is already soaked in the season, so I'm just going to fry my sausage a little bit. My chicken has to be cooked. It's getting there, guys. Okay, I'm adding some coconut milk, guys. So my coconut milk is starting to make my as soon as this dry down, then I'm ready to finish with. Come over working on my sausage, guys. My sausage is ready, so I can go ahead and put this aside and start to make my root. I'm going to start my root right away, guys. I like to use my butter for my root. Just as soon as my butter melted, I'm going to add my flour. I'm adding some milk to my butter. So guys, I'm using my flour to make my root. I'm adding my flour little by little. Just add your flour little by little and mix it out. Make sure you don't have any lump. I'm adding some more milk, guys. Let me check on the chicken. Guys, let me add a little more water to my chicken. And now I'm going to add some cheese. Now I am going to add some cheese, guys. Guys, I add my cheese. Let me add some more milk. Guys, so this is my root. This is my root. Adding a little more milk, guys. So guys, that's my root. See how smooth my root is? That's how smooth my root is, no lump. Okay? My chicken is ready. So I just put my chicken into my root. Look at that. So I put my chicken into my root, guys. Okay, that's the root with the chicken. Now, I'm adding my sausage. I'm adding my sausage, guys. Let me compliment myself by taking one piece. I'm going to add my shrimp. I'm going to add my shrimp. I have my spaghetti. I already boiled my spaghetti and have it right here. So I'm going to add my spaghetti. I'm making sure I'm opening it up. guys, I'm putting some tahine. I'm adding some tahine. So I put my green onion and I'm gonna mix it up and I'm gonna cover it down for 5 minutes. Yes guys, so this is the finished product of my combination shrimp scampi. So that is it guys. I'm gonna share my plate. It is so delicious. I tried it already, but I'm gonna try it again, let you see. So yes guys, we have to give God thanks for this meal. It is so delicious. This is my combination shrimp scampi. That's my shrimp. Guys, without further notice, I want to finish this food so bad. So I'm gonna relax. So guess what? check out this video. Like it. Share it. Try this recipe. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe. Or tell a friend to come subscribe. Happy New Year.